Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix your My AI something went wrong error option on Snapchat. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your Snapchat application. Now select the chats icon. Now scroll down and select My AI. Now here you will getting a message called something went wrong. Now how can you fix that? There are two ways to do it. The first one is to get back on the chats. Now select the profile icon which is on the top left corner. Now select settings icon which is on the top right corner. Now you need to scroll down until last, and here you can see this option called clear my AI data. Now select on it and select on confirm. So that's how you can get rid of the something went wrong error message, and this is the first way to do it. Now second way is to get back from the Snapchat application. Now if you have an Android phone, tap and hold to the Snapchat icon. Now select the I option. Now here select storage usage. Now select clear cache, and that's how you guys can rid of the something went wrong error message that appear. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.